Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting audio in cleanly. Plug your interface, pick input 1 or 2, and create a new audio track. Once done, arm the track and play loudest passages while lowering gain so peaks sit around -6 dB. Make sure the project sample rate is 48K or 44. 1K and buffer set to 128/256 samples for low latency. Don't enable software monitoring yet if you're using hardware reamping. This prevents doubled latency and gives you a clean recorded signal to work with. Next, sculpt tone. Load Amp Designer or your plugin of choice and select an amp, cabinet, and mic placement that match the part. Once you have a basic tone, insert an EQ before the amp to tame harsh lows or highs, and place a compressor after the amp to glue dynamics without squashing attack. Use an aux send for reverb and delay so you can control wetness independent of the dry track. For thicker sound, create a parallel bus with heavier distortion and blend it under the clean signal until it sits in the mix. Finish by editing and exporting. Use quick swipe comping to assemble the best takes, then tighten timing with flex time or beat mapping where needed. Only nudge transient regions to retain feel. When ready to export, bounce stems or the mix. Turn normalize off and apply dither if you downconvert bit depth. If you encounter clicks, dropouts, or latency during mixing, freeze or bounce heavy plugin tracks, increase buffer size, and monitor the CPU meter to isolate the culprit. That troubleshooting step solves most performance issues fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.